Violaceae, the violet family. The leaves are kidney-shaped, heart-shaped, lobed, alternate. The flowers have 3 lower petals spreading, 2 upper erect. Viola tricolor, also known as Johnny Jump Up or Heart's Ease. The traditional flower colors are 2 violet mauve upper petals, 2 white laterals, and 1 yellow lower petal. It is a cool season annual, a heavy reseeder. The flower size is about 1 inch. It has an edible flower. Violaceae, Viola X Whitrockiana, pansy. The Napoleon supporters wore violet colors or used the violet in a sentence to recognize each other. Pansy is French for thought or remembrance. It is a cool season annual. It blooms from October through March. It is the #1 cool season bedding plant seller in the United States. Do well until day temperature becomes a constant 75 degrees. They tend not to reseed. F1 and F2 hybrids are more heat tolerant and have a larger flower. It is full sun to partial shade. Solanaceae is the nightshade family. It includes potato, tobacco, and many of its plants are either medicinal or poisonous or both. Solanaceae, Petunia X hybrida. Petunia. Petunias are the #1 bedding plant seller 1950 to 1980. A decline in sale. Rebirth now with new varieties. At present, it sits at #2. It is native to South America. Patoon means tobacco to southern Indians. Annual, it is a summer or winter annual, depending. Fragrant funnel-shaped flowers. It is frost tender. The leaves are sticky and hairy. It is an alternate arrangement. It needs to be in full sun and well-drained soil. Scrofulariaceae. Scrofulariaceae. Antirrhinum majus, snapdragon. Antirrhinum means nose-like in French and lion's mouth in German and Italian. It is a perennial that is treated as an annual. It needs full sun and well-drained soil. Flowers are 5-lobed, divided into an upper and lower jaw. Scrofulariaceae, Tyrinia Fournieri, Tyrinia. It is also known as the wishbone flower. It is named from a chaplain from the East India Company named Olaf Torren. Tyrinia is a summer annual. The flowers are trumpet-shaped, 2-lipped. It has an upper lip with 2 lobes and a lower lip with 3 lobes. It has a yellow dot on them. The stamen inside resembles a wishbone of a turkey, and it likes well-drained soil. Lariaceae, Digitalis purpurea, foxglove. Digitalis means finger, referring to the flower shape. It is a short-lived perennial. It has leaves that form a basal rosette. The bloom spikes are up to 3 foot tall. They are one-sided. The tubular flowers point down and are 2-lipped. They come in white, pink, purple, pink. You remove the spent heads and they will rebloom. All parts of this plant are poisonous. Please be careful around pets. Scrofulariaceae, Angelonia augustifolia, Angelonia. It is an annual or a short-lived perennial. They tend to naturalize in a damp area, however, they are drought tolerant. They are heat tolerant. It has a two-lobed flower with alternate leaves. It is more prostrate than foxglove. Scrofulariaceae, Diacia barbara, Diacia or twin spur. It is a perennial from South Africa. Di means two, ascos means pouch in Greek. It refers to the pouches on the leaf underside behind the yellow window. They prefer afternoon shade. They are unhappy in high relative humidity. They grow on the dry side and flower 9 months of the year. Brassicaceae, Lobularia maritima, sweet alyssum. It is a cool season annual with a spreading growth habit. It has a sweet scented flower. They come in white, pink, or purple. It has 2 nectar glands. It is self-seeding. Has linear leaves that run silver to green. It likes full sun. It is good in rock gardens. It attracts bees. It is also known as carpet of snow or little Jim. Caryophyllaceae, Dianthus barbatus, Sweet William. It is an excellent rock garden plant. It is a cool season annual in Charleston. It truly is biennial. It is a heavy reseeder. Perennial if deadheaded as soon as the blooms fade. It requires chilling to bloom. It blooms in early spring. It is frost tolerant. It comes in pink, white, and purple. It performs best if soil is limed. The ID characteristic is that when flower is open, it is flat. It is also known as a cyme. Verbinaceae, Verbena ex hybrida, Verbena. Verbena can be annual or perennial. It has hairy leaves and stems. Avoid over-fertilization. It blooms in spring and fall. It is subject to whitefly and spider mites. It gets powdery mildew. It is excellent ground cover. Asteraceae, Zinnia elegans zinnia. It is of the sunflower family. It can have opposite, alternate, or whorled leaves. The heads are solitary flower spikes. Zinnia means youth and old age. It is named after John Gottfried Zinn, a botany professor in Germany. It is a summer annual that is native to Mexico. It thrives in full sun. Large round heads can be single or double. It has hairy stems. They make excellent cut flowers. Asteraceae, Gerbera jamesonoi, Gerbera daisy. They are perennials. They are only not available in blue or purple. It is an excellent cut flower. Always slit the bottom half inch of stem before placing in water. It has a basal rosette and lobed leaves. Afternoon shade is needed. It has a high tendency to get snails and slugs. Lamiaceae, Salvia splendens, Salvia. Salvia is in the mint family. They have square stems. It is a summer annual native to Brazil. The leaves are toothed, the flowers are whorled and tubular. The best color shows in fall due to the temperature. They come in red, white, purple, and salmon. It is best in afternoon shade. Hummingbirds love them. Lamiaceae, Coleus X hybridus. Coleus. Coleus is in the mint family. It has square stems. It is a summer annual. It has multicolored leaves with a velvet texture. It is not grown for the flower. It is grown for the foliage. Full sun to shade. Sun Coleus needs full sun for bright color. It needs well-drained soil. It will be heavy water demand due to very large leaves. It gets snails and slugs easily. Convolvulaceae, Ipomea species, sweet potato vine. Sweet potato vines are in the morning glory family. The vines have a milky sap with funnel-shaped flowers. It is a perennial and annual in a harsh environment. It makes a great accent plant. It has 3-lobed leaves, heart-shaped and alternate. They come in purple, yellow, variegated. The tubers are edible and can reach basketball size. Begoniaceae, Begonia semperflorens, begonia. Begonias are annuals. They are dwarf and shrubby. They can be shrubby. You get them 12 inches to 3 feet tall. Waxy, glossy leaves can be green or bronze. They are very brittle. It blooms red, white, or pink. The cocktail series has gin pink, vodka deep red, whiskey white. Saxifragaceae, Saxifraga stolonifera, strawberry geranium. The strawberry geranium has alternate climbing or spreading growth. It is a perennial. It loves the shade. It makes good ground cover, and it goes great in rock gardens. The leaves are olive green with silver veins and pink on the underside. It has delicate white flowers. It gets about 6 inches tall. Euphorbiaceae, Euphorbia diamond frost, diamond frost. Diamond frost requires full sun. It is an annual, and it makes a great accent plant.